Hello everybody, this is Hans again, speaking about the Hanzo, and I believe this will be the last time I'll do that because yesterday a lot of people took the Hanzo and very successfully, and I believe now everybody knows what to look for, and I just don't have to do that anymore. Saves work for me, for MT. So please, I think everybody agrees with me if I say that's it, and I'll show you what happened. Okay. This picture I show you first because I want to show you. Then we see the opening bell move, and then we continue from there. So what happened? I saw that one here. I saw the 1 hour BB flip down. Okay, I saw also this one, the 4 hour BB flip down, and the 15-minute BB band was straightened out. So I think it would not really, if it comes up, it would not really do a lot of things here. But we had that yellow red there, and that for sure will break the 1 hour BB. This was our goal, to see that the 1 hour BB was broken. I put a sell stop here, exactly here, there where the red, I think where the red line is there, and it entered here. As you can see, the sell stop got triggered here, just below the flip down 1 hour BB band, and I closed it manually here. This is an old habit. I will still work on that, because just on said, if it goes 1 or 2 blocks up and the move seems like strong, stay in and you get more pips. So what happened here, I closed it here for 48 pips, and that was not enough for me. So then I took a second trade here, and I entered here, and I closed that for not 69 but 59 it was actually. So in the end I had 107 pips, and this was good enough for me. I went to demo and did a few more trades there, some wins, some loss, but for me the Hanzo is the most important thing. So let's have a look now and see what the opening bell move do, or does, or did, or whatever. So I'm going to put that back here, yeah, so we can see. Oh man, no, it's not really right. So here it's gonna come, and it's breaking the 1 hour, as you can see. And the moment it came down, you can see it over here. Here you can't see very much, but this got triggered. All right. So we stay in there. Okay, I'm gonna speed up a little bit, so it's not too long. And I tell you, when I closed my trade, I closed it actually here. Here I closed my trade because I thought, oh, this is going to come up again. Then we have HA yellow, and we have here the wicks, and we have here the wicks, and here the wicks, and oops, but anyway, so I continue. So the next trade I took much later, at 34, actually 34.14. I will show you what I did here. Then I saw what's happening here. The buyer is getting stronger. I need to check it out. And I saw all this movement. Of course, I thought, oh, what the hell, why didn't I stay in? So I was waiting for another entry to go down. Well, everybody else here did already good pips. Sarge did 70 pips. Fantastic, Sarge. Really happy for you, mate. And I'll show you when I got in here. Then I saw this here on the Renko. All right. The green, down. Again, green, down. So I thought, okay, the next green I catch. I will catch the next green. I was waiting for the next green to come. Here it is. I waited a little bit more, a little bit more, because it did not really move. So here, then here it was fully developed, and I got in exactly at that point. Here I saw we have all the arrows with us. The bias was absolutely down, very strong down. just was talking also about that we probably see the daily BB because we already came off and we bounced there and probably will come back down again. And I also saw this one here, and I thought, no, this is not enough. That there will be more broken to that 4-hour BB band. And so then I took it, and yeah, the rest is actually history. And I show you that picture again, and I closed it here manually again on the Renko for 59 pips. That gave me 107 pips, and that was good enough for me. That is it actually. So this is the last recap of the Hanzos. Everybody knows now what to do, so I don't think I have to continue with that. And just one wants to do his just one Manix videos anyway. So all good. I stopped that here. I say thank you very much, Jaswan. Thank you, MT. I got a little bit of a cold. And actually 107, this is good enough for me. I don't need more. And I see you in the room. Over and out.